Hi guys, here's your math lesson for today. Happy math lesson. You need a couple things. You are going to need your math notebook. Yours might be a different color, it probably is, but it says math notebook. I just watched you guys take it home, so I know what's in your backpack. Please make sure that this one, remember, we just decided together that we were going to add this as something that goes home and comes back to school every day. So you'll just grab this with your planner and your blue folder, and that's what will stay in your backpack. You'll use it at home. Make sure it goes back in your backpack after, because we'll use it in school the next day. Okie dokie artichoke. Couple things you need too. You're also going to need your red sticker home connection book. I know that you also, in your yellow book, that you also did page 58 at your shuffle time. I posted an answer key to that. So under shuffle in your Google Classroom, I put a picture of the answer key there. So in case you got stuck, you guys, I know it's pretty tricky, this multiplication stuff. You can always pull up my answer key and check your answers. Okay, let's get started. All right, friends, first thing I need you to do, go to a blank page in your math notebook. You are going today to check out some multiplication strategies, and you're going to write them down. So what I need you to do when I get to the screen is you have a choice. I'm going to post a picture of this underneath the math lesson in Google Classroom. So if you want to click on the picture of it and then copy it, you can do that. Or you can just pause me and copy this in your math notebook. Let's check this out. Here's what I need you guys to do. In your math notebook, please go to an empty page. And I know it's going to be kind of small, so you might want to look at the picture. I'm only going to leave this up for a second because since this is a live recording, I'm not going to wait for you to do it. So I need you to either pause it and write it in your math notebook, or you can, like I said, go find the picture that's posted in Google Classroom of this. So you're writing at the top, multiplication strategies. Right? Strategies are ways that we can do things. Like when we were doing double digit addition and subtraction, we used the 120 chart, we used an open number line, we used place value, base 10 blocks. There were a lot of different strategies and ways that we used in order to do addition and subtraction. These strategies are for multiplication. One of the ways that we've been doing is drawing a picture. Right? So that is 3 groups of 5. So we drew a picture there to help us. The next way is skip counting, right? So if we're doing 6 times 6, it would be 6 groups of 6, right? Continuing to count by 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Perfect. Another way is repeated addition. So if I wanted 6 groups of 6, I would add 6 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I also showed you on the number line here how we did that. So I added 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, add 6. So repeated addition is another way that we've been learning about how to do multiplication. The last one I have here, and remember, I'm going to move on after this so you can pause it and make sure it's written or look at the other picture that's posted. Is making a table, right? So making a table. So on this side, it usually gives you, when there's a table, 1 on each side in case you need to figure out the rest of the table. So like this one, there's 1 bag with 6 treats in it. Okay. Then if there were 2 bags, how many treats would they be? Well, I think that if this was times 6, this has to be times 6, right? So 1 times 6 is 6. 1 group of 6 is 6. 2 groups of 6 is 12, or 2 times 6 is 12. 3 groups of 6 is 18, or 3 times 6 is 18. 4 groups of 6 is 24. 5 groups of 6 is 30. 6 groups of 6 is 36. All right, guys. Tricky, tricky. Okay, moving on. Now that you're done, because you've either just unpaused me to come back to us, I need you to go to another page in your math notebook. So I have mine here. I know I did that one on just a blank piece of paper. Just find a blank piece of paper. I'm going to have you guys write these problems that I'm about to show you. I'm going to have you write these problems in your journal. So we'll start here. The first problem I'm going to ask you to do is 2 times 4. 2 times 4. 2 groups of 4. Or 4 groups of 2. I'm guessing that you're probably drawing a picture maybe. You're drawing 2 big circles with 4 dots in each of them. What is your answer? Da, da, da. If you were here, all of you would have yelled at me at the same time. You would have said, behind your little masks, you would have said, 8, it's 8. It's 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 groups of 4 is 8. Okay, next problem I want you to write down. 3 times 4. So now we have 3 groups of 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So I know that 4 times 2 was 8. So I just need another group of 4 to make it 12. All right, friends, I hope you just wrote that down. 3 times 4 equals 12. Awesome blossom. Next one. Ooh, 6 times 4. Ooh, I think I know a secret to this one. We just found out that 3 groups of 4 was 12. So if we need 6 groups of 4, that's like double 3 groups of 4, isn't it? So I think we can double that answer. This is like our number puzzles that we did. If 3 times 4 is 12, 6 times 4 would be double that, which is 24. All right, kiddos, 24. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Please write 6 times 4 equals 24. Great job. All right, last one I'm going to have us do today is 4 times 4. There's a few left, but we don't have time for all of them. 4 times 4. What's 4 times 4? Well, if I knew that 3 times 4 was 12, 4 times 4 would just be one more group of 4. So 12 plus 4 would be 16. I hope you wrote that one down too. Good job, guys. Awesome. Okay, we are going to end that for now. Next thing I need you to do, friends, is I need you to get out your, oh my goodness, you guys, hold on. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. We're doing our red sticker book in a little bit, but I actually do need you to have your yellow sticker book. Sorry, you needed a lot of them today. You needed a lot of math things. You do need your yellow sticker book first. I apologize. You remember how I gave you this lovely thing, this yellow multiplication table, and you are keeping it in your blue folder? Well, in this little guy is the same thing. I actually copied this from the book. So what we're going to do today, we're going to color one of those rows. So while I'm checking this out, getting the right page, I'm going to ask you to please, pretty please, get a yellow crayon or colored pencil or highlighter, just something yellow. Can you do that for me? Yellow, yellow, yellow. All right, grab something yellow. And forgive me for saying you don't need your book when you do. I'm sorry. All right, kiddos, here we go. We're going to page 57. 57, 5-7. Page 57. There we go. Okay. Ignore that phone. Okay. What we're going to do on page 57, I need you to get your yellow. I'm going to use a crayon. We're going to find the doubles facts. So doubles facts, right, are times 2. That's the same number multiplied by itself. I can show you on here too, my friends. Whoops, we didn't do number corner. That's okay. Here we go. All right, it says doubling. We're gonna double each number. There it is. Locate the doubles facts. So what we have to do first is find all the doubles. That's a number times itself. Let's color all of those yellow. Okay, yellow. Here we go. All right. I see a doubles fact. All the by twos. Easy breezy. Everything times 2. That means we're doubling that number. So when we've been doing our, oh, my crayon broke. Even when we've been doing number line puzzles, my friends, in doing our number line puzzles, one of the first things that we usually start off with is a doubles fact because they're easy. It's just the number plus itself, right? 2 times 2 would be like 2 plus 2. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 plus 3. 2 groups of 3 is 6. 2 times 4, 4 plus 4. Right? That's 8. 2 times 5 would be 5 plus 5. That's 10. 2 times 6, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 10 plus 10. Same thing down here, guys. Remember, we can always flip-flop. 2 groups of 3 is the same as 3 groups of 2. So we have 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6. Awesome. So today, the only thing we're coloring today is the yellow doubles facts, which is anything times 2. If you need to pause this, you can. Miss Hardy's going to move on. All right, kiddos. Last thing we're going to do today is we are going to look in your red sticker book now. I love how responsible you guys are, and you always have everything right next to you when we're doing math. You've got all those books and notebooks and everything, so I hope we're nice and prepared. In your red sticker book, we are turning to page 31. 31, where are you? Aha, hello, 31. Now, you guys can probably do this by yourself by now. We are going to find out how many window panes are in each window by writing the equation, okay? So, here we go. I'm going to move a little bit quickly on this, so if you ever need to pause, you may. Here we go. I'm going to count my column here. I've got 3. Okay, 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness, 3 groups of 7. That to me would be like 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. Perfecto. All right, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. 6 times 7 equals, Does anybody see how we could use the 3 times 7 to figure out what 6 times 7 is? This is 3 groups of 7, and this is 6 groups of 7. So it looks to me like this is double what this is, right? So let's double that 21. Let's double it. All right, here we go. We're going to double it, and it's going to be 42. Is that what you guys got too? I wonder. All right, moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, this one's going to be easy. We love our times 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 10. All right. Everybody's screaming it, aren't you? Are you screaming 70 at home? 70. Check out D. Here we go. Ooh, it looks like there's just 1 row missing under here. I wonder what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aha. All right, guys. How can we use this one to help us get this one? If this is, maybe I should have written about, no, I should have written 10 times 7. Doesn't matter. All right, here we go. It's the same thing. This is 10 groups of 7, and this one's only 9 groups of 7. So we need one less group of 7. And you can see it in the picture. Look, this one group of 7 is gone. This is 10 groups of 7. This one's only 9 groups of 7. So if we subtract 7, we would get 63. Masters. Awesome. Beautiful. Okay. On the bottom, you may use your multiplication chart if you would like. It is on page something wonderful, 57 in your other book, in your yellow sticker book. We just did that. Or you can get the yellow page out from your blue folder that you should have. I'm going to let you guys fill this in. Okay, I'm going to let you guys fill this in. So you're going to have to look on your multiplication chart. 8 times something is 24. 8. I'm going to look at the row of 8. Okay. Here's 24. 8 times 3 is 24. Awesome. I'm going to let you guys use your chart to figure this out. Okay. So, there we go. On the back, my friends, easy breezy lemon squeezy. We are going to do some skip counting. So in order to do some skip counting, we need to figure out what number are they skip counting by, right? And then we're going to go up or down. So on this one, from 12 to 16, it looks like they added 4. So the magic skip count on this is 4. Every single box is going to be adding 4. Now, when we go this way, we're going to have to subtract 4, right? So 12, take away 4 is 8. Take away 4 is 4. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. Say the next one. Bam, 20. 4 more, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Perfecto. All right, guys, next row. I'm looking here. I see that it looks to me like in order to go from 30 to 36, how much did they add? How much are they skip counting? 6, right? They're skip counting by 6. So we're going to have to go forwards and backwards. All right, 36 plus 6 is 42. Plus 6 is 48. All right, now I got to go backwards even harder. I'm going to subtract 6 and subtract 6 and subtract 6. Oh my goodness. 30 minus 6 is 24. Minus 6 is 18. Minus 6 is 12. And then 6. Boom. All right, friends, on this next one, number 4, again, I'm going to let you do this one by yourself. Okay, you can use your multiplication chart if you need to. Some of these are easy breezy. 2 groups of 3 is just 3 plus 3. 10 times 3, we know, simple, simple Sally. 10 times 3 is 30. 3 groups of 10, easy breezy. All right, number line below, I think we can do together though. So 2 groups of 9, 18. 3 groups of 9 would just be 1 more group of 9. If I add 9 and make 1 more group of 9, we get 27. Oh, look, I'm going to double it. We did that up there too. This is 3 groups of 9. This is 6 groups of 9. So we got to double the groups. So we're going to double the answer. That one's 54. Okay, now I got to, I have to take away a group of 9 from this one because we're going from 6 groups to 5 groups. If I take away a group of 9, it's going to be 45. Oh my goodness, look how tricky these 9s are. 45 and 54. Wowza. I'm going to show you guys a trick one day about multiplying by 9s. This is the craziest thing. Are you ready to have your mind blown? You know I like to do this. If you add the 2 digits together in the multiples of 9, they always equal 9. Look, 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Crazy, right? All right, that's just a little sideshow. All right, kiddos, we'll learn that one another time. We're looking at 10 times 9 equals 90, right? Perfect. Now I need 1 less group of 9. 1 less group of 9. So if I'm at 90 and I need to subtract 9, right? That's going to be 81. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You also could have used your multiplication chart for that. Carl can wash 8 windows in an hour. How many can he wash in 3 hours? Okay, so I'm going to say these. I'm making these circles like hours. He can wash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Perfecto. 8 times 3 equals 24. Now, the challenge is always optional. If you would like to do the challenge, you may. Otherwise, you're a rock star and you're done. Good job. If you finished writing in your math notebook the multiplication strategies and you followed along and we just finished everything we needed to, you guys are amazing. Then you're done with math today. So great job, kiddos. I will see you tomorrow. I miss you already. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.